Welcome to the Seasons on Lake Mead community located in Suffolk, where you will find this lovely and meticulously kept 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths condo. Featuring an open floor plan, spacious kitchen with bar, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, first floor primary bedroom with bath including double vanity, tub and shower. 3 large bedrooms with plenty of closet space, full bath, and laundry facility are all located on the 2nd floor. Centrally located to shopping, dining, entertainment, hospitals, downtown, and highways.